In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make to update Airtable automatically. To get started, first prepare your Airtable base so everything is ready before you build the automation. Open Airtable and create a table with the fields you want to update. A simple example would include fields like name, email, status, and last updated. Setting this up clearly from the beginning makes the automation much easier to configure and helps prevent mapping mistakes later. Next, log into Make and create a new scenario. Give it a clear name, such as Automatic Airtable Update, so it's easy to recognize later if you manage multiple automations. Naming things properly may seem small, but it really helps with organization and troubleshooting. Now add your trigger. Click the plus icon and choose the data source you want to monitor, such as Google Sheets. Then select a trigger like Watch New Rows, or another option that better matches your workflow. After that, connect your account and choose the spreadsheet you want. Make to watch. This trigger is what tells Make when it should begin the automation. Once the trigger is in place, click the plus icon again to add Airtable. Search for Airtable and choose Search Records if you need to find an existing record before updating it. This is an important step because it allows Make to locate the correct row in Airtable instead of guessing. Then connect Airtable by clicking Add to create the connection. Choose the correct base and table so Make knows exactly where to search and update records. After that, set up the record search. Tell Make how to identify the right Airtable record. For example, you can search for a record where the email field matches the email coming in from Google Sheets. Using a unique field like email is a smart way to reduce the chance of updating the wrong record. Next, add another Airtable module by clicking the plus icon after Search Records and choose Update a Record. Select the same base and table again, then map the record ID returned by the search step. This part is essential because Make needs that record ID to know exactly which Airtable record should be updated. Now map the new information you want to send into Airtable. For example, connect Google Sheets status to Airtable status, Google Sheets name to Airtable name, and map the current date to last updated. Take your time here, because accurate mapping is what makes the automation reliable. When everything is set up, run a test by clicking Run once. Add or change a test row in Google Sheets, then watch whether Make finds the correct Airtable record and updates it properly. After the test, open Airtable and confirm that the selected fields were updated correctly. If everything looks good, set the schedule by choosing how often Make should check for new or changed data. Pick an interval that matches your workflow, then save the scenario and turn it on. From that point on, Make will automatically process the updates based on your schedule.